adjectives on them. So you have to pick the appropriate adjectives for the thing. Okay? What is this, Ribhav?
Peanuts.
Peanuts. So choose correct adjective for peanut. So speak.
Salty peanuts.
Very good. What is this?
Tomato.
So which adjective you will choose for tomato?
Red tomato.
Very good. Clap for Yuvraj. So Suryansh, what is this?
Orange.
Orange. So which adjective you will use for orange?
Orange.
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 Very good. Sour orange. Kumar, what is this?
Candy.
Candy. So which adjective you will use for candy?
Sweet. Sweet candy.
Very good. Sweet candy. Arya, what is this?
Elephant.
So which adjective you will use for elephant?
Big elephant.
Very good, Arya. Big elephant.
Teddy.
Teddy bear. So which adjective you will use for teddy? Soft teddy. Very good. What is this, Ainisha?
Flower.
Flower vase. Very good. So which adjective you will use for flower vase?
Beautiful flower.
Very good. Beautiful flower vase. What is this, Anvi?
Rubber band.
Rubber bands. So which adjective you will use for rubber bands?
Colorful rubber band.
Very good. Colorful rubber bands. What is this, Pratika?
Stone.
Stone. So which adjective you will use for stone?
Hard stone.
Hard stone. Very good. What is this, Arna? Knife. So which adjective you will use for knife?